At Addis Ababa Bole International Airport, Gashaw Tahir and the GreenLand Development Foundation gathered with volunteers of all ages to place young trees into the earth. On that day, the trees were small, but the vision was not. Each seedling carried a message that peace can be planted and that love for the land can become a gift to the future. The volunteers weren't only planting trees. They were planting the belief that healing begins when people come together and care for the world around them. Years later, Gashaw returned to that same ground, and what he found was more than growth. The promise made back in 2020 had taken root. These trees now stand as living witnesses. They remind us that one act of care can keep growing long after the day has passed, and that when people plant with love, the future rises.